What's up guys, Braden here with SuperATV, and today we're going to be showing you how to install SuperATV's rear windshield on this Polaris RZR XP. So let's get right to it. So the first thing we're going to do is go ahead and remove all the contents of our packaging. We're going to lay it up on our machine, make sure the windshield fits correctly. We've already done that. Once you've done that, you'll want to remove the protective film from all 4 of your pieces. So then once we get to this point here, we're going to go ahead and cut off our excess. Now we're going to apply it to this portion of our windshield. We're going to start right here at this bottom edge and then run it all the way across. Then once you get to this point here, you're just going to go ahead and cut off the excess. So now we're going to grab our side portion here of our windshield. We're going to grab our bulb seal and we're going to apply the bulb seal all the way around. Then when we cut it off here, we want to follow the contour of our side piece here. So we'll just want to cut it at an angle. And we'll repeat the same steps on this side. We're just going to cut it off the same way here. So now we have our lower portion of our windshield laying with the notched side facing down. Then we have our side panel here. What we're going to do is take our side panel, line it up with the windshield, and all the hardware in the kit is all the same. So we're going to take a piece of our hardware out of our kit, line it up with our bracket just like so. And this will be the inside of the windshield. So whenever we go to bolt this bracket on, what we're going to do is take our hardware, stick it up through, line it up, and get it started. Go to this hole here. Then we're going to do the same thing over here for this side. Now we're going to install the lower portion with our side panels to the machine. Once we fully tighten everything and get the upper portion installed, it'll sit a little tighter. Then you're gonna take these straps that come in the kit, wrap it around this upper tube here of the cage, and just kind of pull up the windshield into position, just enough to hold it. You're not trying to clamp it down completely yet. We'll go back through and adjust our strap positioning and everything. This is just to help us hold it up to get hardware installed. So now what we're going to do is couple the windshield, the upper windshield, to the lower. All right, so once you kind of have your hardware started, what you're gonna do is grab a hold of these straps and you're gonna cinch them down as tight as you can get them. We're gonna do that for both sides. You're gonna tighten them down, like I said, as tight as you can possibly get them. Then we're gonna go down through here and install all of our hardware that couples the two windshields together, the upper and the lower. So now we're going to install all of our straps to our windshield. And install them to the side here. Now we're going to go through and fully tighten all of our hardware. Once you have all your hardware fully tightened, your windshield's in place, that's all there is to it to install SuperATV's rear windshield on this Polaris RZR XP. Be sure to check the description below to pick yours up today, and while you're there, drop a like, comment, and subscribe. Thanks for watching, and we'll catch you on the next one.